The Heaboli Dual Dash Cam offers impressive video quality with its ability to record in 4,000 pixels in the front and 2,000 pixels in the rear, ensuring clear footage of your driving experience. Equipped with a user-friendly app and Wi-Fi connectivity, this dash cam allows you to easily access and manage your recordings directly from your smartphone. Exceptional night vision capabilities are achieved through advanced optical lenses and image processing technologies, making it reliable for capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions. The built-in 24-hour parking mode provides peace of mind by automatically recording any disturbances around your vehicle, ensuring you have crucial evidence if needed. With a wide-angle lens capturing 170 degrees in the front and 150 degrees in the rear, this dash cam significantly reduces blind spots and enhances your driving security. Its robust build quality allows it to function flawlessly in extreme temperatures, making it a dependable choice for drivers in varying climates.